Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Tuesday morning, it's the 23rd day of January. My name is Rich, and it's a little bit before 4 o'clock in the morning. And some of you watching this video, some of you had a gully washer yesterday, including this location right here. Actually, looking at these totals, the airport beat my location. I had 2.61 here. The airport had more than I did. And Emerald Mountain, over 4 inches of rain. That helps when you're in a drought. Now what? Back behind this front, cooler but not colder. No Arctic air this time. I've adjusted the numbers for the week ahead. And another storm system already has my attention for the upcoming weekend. If you have weekend plans, this certainly could affect your weekend plans. I have the latest on that. Let's get started first with this map right here. There's that narrow band of very heavy rainfall totals yesterday from Lounsboro through Montgomery, Wetumpka, east to Madison. Emerald Mountain had 4.05 inches, for heaven's sakes. Unfortunately, it was a narrow band and it didn't include the whole region, but it will help the drought, at least in some areas. Today, cooler but not cold behind the front. No Arctic air this time. That's great news. Mostly sunny today. High temperature around 60, not bad. Tonight will tease the freeze mark, overnight low 33. Westerly winds at 6 to 12 miles per hour today, but a great day today. I think tomorrow will be a near average January day with highs in the upper 50s after morning lows in the low to mid 30s. And I think we'll start off around freezing on Thursday morning, but a nice afternoon warm up with high pressure plopped right over the state. Temperatures around 60 and into the low 60s Friday. We could see some increasing clouds Friday night, but generally a great Friday. Showers in the forecast for Saturday, so adjust your plans accordingly. This is midday Saturday. Now let me switch models. Let me go to the European model, showing a very drenching situation with heavy rains down on the coast and through South Alabama Saturday night. In fact, the rain shield covering all of Alabama Saturday night. And even on Sunday, rain is still around. It'll be departing during the afternoon hours, so adjust your weekend plans. Rainfall totals could be, according to the adjusted model blend, 3 inches Panama City, 1.2 Troy, 1 inch around Montgomery, a little bit lighter farther to the north, so the heaviest rain down south. For tomorrow, high temperature in the upper 50s. That's normal. Down to freezing on Thursday morning, up to about 60 on Thursday, 62 Friday. And then the rain comes in Saturday night, lingering showers Sunday, highs in the upper 50s over the upcoming weekend. Now let's look at the global models. This is the European. It shows the trend to cooler, back behind that front, but not cold. It shows the warm up late in the week, the storm system Saturday night, a little drop off behind that front before we warm up again, and another storm system around February 1st. The European shows nothing shocking temperature-wise. The Arctic floodgates for now are closed. That's good. A mixture of 50s and 60s we see there. And again, nothing that stands out as being shocking. And the GFS confirms that. This takes us through the first week of February. A mixture of 50s and 60s, and again, no signs of Arctic air yet. We know it'll be back someday. Meanwhile, we continue to count down till spring, 56 days away. Spring, the vernal equinox, March 21st at 11:15 a.m. Hey, by the way, just a heads up, there's a great space station flyover Wednesday night, just after 6 p.m., 6:11 p.m. to 6:14. Very bright this time. Coming out of the southwest, moving northeast. I'll remind you tomorrow night. I'll remind you on tomorrow's video about this great space station flyover, okay? We'll keep an eye on that weekend storm system, which could affect a lot of plans, especially if you were going to head south to the beach. Probably not a good idea. Have a great day today. We'll be live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1 with Greg, Jay, Emily, and that dog, which has been wandering around somewhere out here. That's Bailey, the wonder dog. There'll be your forecast whenever you want it across the dial on 8 radio stations, the Blue Water family of stations. And I'll be here with you tomorrow morning to update you on the future weather. It's been crazy for the last week. Think about it. Think about what's happened in the last week. A week ago today, we were getting ready for a snowstorm. And that, of course, was Tuesday night into Wednesday. Then the extreme cold on Thursday morning at 10 degrees. Then the big surge in temperature, 72 on Saturday. And then we had a gully washer yesterday. Wow, that's all in 1 week. Have a good day. I'll see you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.